If you only looked at the closing prices, looked like a pretty sedate day, huh? Dow finishing down 45 points. S&P advancing 0.18%. Nasdaq gaining 0.50%. But the truth is, things look awful bad around 2 o'clock. It felt like we could have a huge rollover. Wall Street was laser focused on the negatives. We're headed into the toughest part of the pandemic. It's going to be much worse than feared. Retail sales were very weak. The Fed admitted they can't do much to help. Then we heard some very positive chatter from Washington about the stimulus bill and from Fed Chief Powell. Sure enough, stocks turn around. Crisis averted. As I see it, the bears, once again, the bears. Wrong. Sure, this is an ugly moment. But we're about to cross the Jordan River after spending ages lost in the wilderness, and there's a land of milk and honey on the other side. That said, you know what? I'm actually thrilled by all the negativity because it means stocks can still go higher. As long as we have doubters, we can rally. The market goes up when bears turn into bulls. So think of the negativity that we saw all morning as the fuel. When everyone's positive, well, that's when you have to worry. Right now, though, there's plenty of pessimism about the rally. The conventional wisdom says this rally has to be bogus because the economy is in dire straits with dramatically weaker retail sales and spiking unemployment as states are forced to lock down. Worse, the extra unemployment benefits and the eviction freeze both end in a couple of weeks. Now, I know most people have lost faith in Washington. Congress has spent months doing nothing, although that may be about to change. Even without a stimulus package, which suddenly seems a lot more likely, I think this is a best of times, worst of times situation. I know. You're sick of it. I keep referring to Dickens. Probably really upset you. But this is a Dickensian moment. All right, it's not the Christmas Carol, but it's Dickensian. It's the best of times for the wealthy, whether we're talking companies or individuals. And it's the worst of time for small business and people living paycheck to paycheck or with no paychecks at all.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.